How do you say owl?
Coruja.
How do you say keyboard?
Teclado.
How do you say soda?
Refrigerante.
How do you say sunscreen?
Protetor solar.
How do you say peach?
Pêssego.
How do you say octopus?
Polvo.
How do you say thank you?
Obrigado.
How do you say neck?
Pescoço.
How do you say child?
Criança.
How do you say 11?
Onze.
How do you say needle?
Agulha.
How do you say beard?
Barba.
How do you say iron?
Ferro.
How do you say women?
Mulher.
How do you say winter?
Inverno.
How do you say turkey?
Peru.
How do you say keychain?
Chaveiro.
How do you say spider?
Aranha.
How do you say nothing?
Nada.
How do you say walk?
Andar.
How do you say empty?
Vazio.
How do you say mermaid?
Sereia.
How do you say open?
Aberto.
How do you say teacher?
Professor.
How do you say turtle?
Tartaruga.
How do you say sister?
Irmã.
How do you say red?
Vermelho.
How do you say basket?
Cesta.
How do you say gold?
Ouro.
How do you say end?
Fim.